Welcome! In front of me I have Huawei Watch Ultimate and I'm gonna show you how to lock the touchscreen on this watch. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the crown button. After you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and you can swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. On this panel, you should see a bunch of icons. Scroll through it and find the lock screen icon. And to lock the touchscreen, tap on this icon. As you can see, it says screen locked. You rotate the crown to unlock it, but when you try to use the touchscreen on your watch, it's gonna be locked. This option is quite useful if you want to, for example, take a shower with your watch on, or swim with your watch on, or maybe you want to go to sleep and you want to prevent mistouches on the screen when you're sleeping. So you can lock the touchscreen in that case. And if you want to unlock it, simply rotate the crown button. Wake up the screen and then rotate the crown button to unlock the screen, like this. Okay, and that's how you lock the touchscreen on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.